Hello, my name is Rachel Cook and I'm the Marketing Manager for the Alachua County Library District. I'm excited to share how the library is ready to help you and your student succeed this school year. The Alachua County Library District has 12 locations across the county. All branches are open for you to come in, browse, check out books, use computers, and connect to our free Wi-Fi. You can also borrow books, DVDs, and more using our outside service if you prefer not to come inside. In addition to weekday hours, all locations are open Saturdays 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 7 locations have Sunday hours. Library cards are free for all Florida residents, and you could even win a Publix gift card if you sign up for your library card in September. All you need to sign up is an official photo ID with your current address. All Alachua County Public School students have a student library card that gives them access to library resources as well. Your student's library card barcode and password instructions were emailed to their Alachua County Public Schools account last fall, and in June, we will send this information again in October. If your student doesn't have their student library card email or information, you can visit your library branch and ask staff members to look up the account or call your local library. Your student can borrow 3 print or audiobook items from any library, check out eBooks, downloadable music, and digital magazines. This includes thousands of digital books and even digital audiobooks. Your student can also use their card to access our eSources, which are our collection of online databases and learning tools. For example, you can use your student's library card on tutor.com to book a session with an online tutor. You can log on to our language tool called Transparent Language for fun games and activities to help younger children learn and practice a new language, as well as more advanced lessons for older students. You can use most of our eSources from your home computer using the library's website, www.aclib.us. Your students can also use their card to log on to library computers available at all 12 branches. I'm excited to share several new collections we now have for checkout. Please note these items cannot be checked out with a student library card, but you can check them out with your card. We introduced STEM kits in August. Each kit encourages discoveries in science, technology, engineering, and math with an interactive toy, book, and DVD. The toys include hands-on activities, learning games, or age-appropriate scientific equipment. Kits are designed for kids in preschool through 5th grade, and you can check one out for 14 days with your library card. Here's an example of one of our kits. This is our Microscopic Discovery Kit, which includes a microscope and slides, plus a book and movie on the history of microscopic discoveries. We now have Wi-Fi to go mobile hotspots available to check out for 1 week. There are no data fees or limits, and the hotspots can connect up to 5 devices to the internet at once. That includes computers, tablets, cell phones, and gaming systems. You can borrow 1 hotspot at a time per library card. You can reserve a hotspot in our online catalog by searching for Wi-Fi to go or by calling any library. You can learn more about all our events, services, and new collections by signing up for our monthly email newsletter, 5 Things. You can email info@aclib.us to sign up, or visit our website and click the sign up for our newsletter link at the bottom. Thank you for your time. Our library team is eager to help you and your family find the resources you need for learning and fun this school year. Please contact us on our website or reach out to your local library for more information on any of the resources you've heard about today.